Today, we're looking at BUR2 silicone-based seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing seam problems can be found in mod bit, BUR cap sheet, and self-adhered membranes. Let's look at a 3-course repair method. To start, always clean the surface. Using a trowel, apply APOC 581 Armor Flash patch and sealant. Measure and apply a piece of 483 polyester fabric. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 581 Armor Flash. Apply a top coat of 581 Armor Flash patch. Using industrial shears, cut the polyester, ensuring it does not go past the patch. Now, your APOC BUR2 silicone-based seam repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.